Hi, this is my oral presentation to the English Level 2. First of all, I talk a little about myself. After that, I tell you about my experience in Chicoral. Then, I talk about the weather in Chicoral. And finally, I'll give you some recommendation in Chicoral. Hi, my name is Anna Hill. I live in Tocancipacum, Dinamarca, with my daughter and my boyfriend. I have beautiful plants in our home. I like go to out my family and the motorcycle. I love it. I current business student business administration, and this is my beautiful trip. A month ago, I went to Chicoral. There I stayed one day and with my uncle and my daughter, even though I have been several times and for long. I can say that it's a very nice place because it has many family space I like. The mythological park that is the Espinal Breaker de Chicoral. I went to swimming in the river because it usually does not have many currents, and the Central Park is spectacular, and its church is very beautiful. The weather in Chicoral is very sunny every day, and the night is nice. The climate is cool. Tips in Chicoral. It's necessary that you use cool clothes. It's important that you use sunblock lotion always and use mosquito repellent. It's recommended that you drive carefully, and there are many motorcycles. It's better that take an umbrella to cover the sun. What you should do. People should go to the Central Park. There are sculptures of myths and legends de Colombia. People should swimming in the river, with the weather is an excellent plant. People ought to eat lechona. It's the typical dish there and it is delicious. One you should not do. People should not go with sunblock. There is quite sun. People should not throw or wash things in the river. People should not go by car on the Central Park. There is not many parking lots. Thank you. Goodbye.